Hey guys, welcome to Not Trading, and this is our small account for Robinhood. And today we're going to be looking for some trade entries. It is about 12:45 New York time, so we're going on Webull and taking our scanner out and taking a look. What I like to look at is the hottest of them all and having the best percentage change. So we'll take a look at our WLK. Alright, so as we can see, it went all the way up to 184, and now it's come back down. Let's see how much. It's come back down roughly 9% since its high. So I like to put the Fibonacci retracements onto these ones that take these huge runs. Alright, so there we go. So as we can see, it's come all the way back there to around the 0.382, so not a full fib to the 0.5 and 0.16. 4618. So it looks like we kind of got a what is this? It's like a rising. So wait a minute. This is just a standard pattern of like a bull flag, I believe ish. I'm just going on a lower time frame. Take a look. Is it lower highs? Yeah, lower highs, lower lows, higher lows, I mean, or lower lows is what it is. So it is roughly consider it a flag, I suppose. Yeah. So in that case, technically we'll be trying to see if it'll break out of the channel. So I prefer that we mark the channel around there. Use that. Alright, and then we should be able to mark it that. So we could see this thing come all the way down to there. So we'll keep an eye on that stock. Now let's go to GNUS. Alright, this one's interesting. Alright, so this one looks like it was previously at this level before, the 279 level. Let's take a entire look at this guy's history actually. So, okay, you can see that right back here with the loose amount of data it has, must be like a really big cap. It used to trade initially at 660, and obviously we are a good amount below that right now. So basically, we're going to want to take a look here at this level. It looks like it could be forming a top around here. So unfortunately, it's not going to be viable at the moment, but if it breaks this level here, then potentially it is a buy. Looks like it's reacting to that level though. It might come down a bit. Might end up getting a standard bearish M pattern here. So we'll see how that plays out as well. Okay, let's see what else we got here. So we got UABS. Alright, so this one right here, interesting. Oh wow, look at this guy. Whoa, look at that spike. and around April it had a huge spike. Where can I see? So oh, that's a tweet. Okay, so Agile Aerial Systems Incorporated. Interesting. So it had a huge spike in April, and now it's come down quite a bit, all the way retracing, and now it's spiking up just a little bit. It appears to have spiked to this level before, around this level back in May. So let's take a look at this guy. So UAV asking more information on this. Alright. So it is okay. Negative earnings. Alright. So I was trying to see if there's any analyst recommendations or any let's see if there's any news on this. Stock alright, so this one is kind of interesting. It is not fully formed. See any sort of flag or any pattern. It's just trending upwards still, which could mean that we have some room for a buy potentially. So keep our eyes on this one. So let's actually take a look at the level 2 data that I just paid $5 for. Anyway, so okay, let's take a look. So it's a little heavier on the seller side, but that is okay. Immediately it is heavier. No, okay, so immediately is about even, or so it's 140, 149. Interest stays about even. We got a lot of selling pressure right here at the 145 mark, so we can expect potentially some drawdown due to that right there. And the only sign of that getting stopped is nowhere near the top. This is probably all less than 70k units. If this guy is actually intent on selling, this will drive the stock down quite a bit. So we'll probably stay away from this guy right here. Alright. Maybe we could short this guy. Let's take a look at their options, if they have any. No. So unfortunately, there is no trade options on this, right? Okay. So, alright, we'll take a look at Zoom video. I'm doing pretty good today. Alright, Zoom has been a good run for the whole coronavirus. Trading at around $200. It has had a pretty good spike today. Let's take a look. Where is its high? That is its high, overall high. Okay, so it's forming new highs today. It's a good bullish sign. So this is interesting. Okay, so it appears to have be potentially losing steam from its initial runoff, but it is it's gone up and continued to go up, which is pretty bullish sign right there. So I think I'll take a look at this on level 2. Alright, let's take a look. Whoa. So as you can see, we have a load more of actually interest. And this appears to be a lot of interest when we get down long term. So, alright, whoa. Okay, there we go. So it seems to break it's showing interest at around the 199 mark to the around 210 mark. It flattens off around that mark, and it could go extremely bullish if that mark is broken. So 199 would be our support area. Is that correct? Yeah, 2,000 units. Yeah, around here. So we get a couple thousand every there and again. I mean, yeah, it's a lot because there isn't that many thousand orders within this whole book. It's far few in between. So we did see what this guy was there a good sell. It's a good decent 3,000 unit one right there, and that's the only sign I see of a large seller, and we got a good buyer right here. I think we're gonna look for an entry on this guy. Zoom. Might have to go partial shares on this because I don't get quite the capital. But this is a small count video anyway. So I like to use the ATR stops for my stop losses on around the 5-minute. Maybe we'll go to the 15-minute for this guy because we're more long term on this, and that tells me I should put it around 197. I think I want to up it a little bit. It could be a pullback, and I don't want to absorb it. So for that, I'm going to set my stop loss down there, and so that is about 6% off of the current price. So I'm gonna have to go in with about, let's go with the 6. I'll do a 1% stop loss of our current capital, which is how much do I got left? 367. So 367 divided by 6. We're gonna want to go in with about $60 worth. I'm just doing. All right. So that will allow us to take proper risk management here. Stop loss at what is this? 191, I believe, is where our stop loss is. Alright, so $60. Alright, and so basically, so we want to kind of watch this here for a little while. I don't know. I just want to see. All right, there we go. I'm good with this. 2 or 3 entries is good. So we got 1,000 shares. We got a lot of interest. Yeah, I think we'll. All good on the resistance here. Okay. So we got in at 203.54. 203.54. Alright, so now let's try to set our stop loss. I don't know. I really hope they fixed it. Yeah, should fix it. Click. Imagine the price drops. We're like, what the? What the? Alright, there we go. Alright, stop price. What was it at again? 191. Roughly 191. So we'll do 190.99 just in case. And then wait, we're not looking for a share. I guess we do so. Jeez. 205 marker, and if I have any alerts set up on this account, I will change it so that I get a notification if it actually crosses my stop loss area for my initial analysis. So anyway, we could take more trades today, but that's going to be it for now. So I'll see you guys next time, and see you later. Hey guys, so we're back here, and I went ahead and checked up on my old analyses of RWLK, and apparently it has crossed the marker I've set for it, and so we'll be looking right around here actually to be taking entry for this on our analysis, and maybe we can see it even run way up there, but we need to set a proper stop loss here. So let me take this current price to our ATR 30-minute, and that's a whopping 19%. So we're not going to go in with very much, but it's only $1, so 1/19th of our remaining capital, 300. 919 equals approximately, should go in with approximately $15 on RWLK. So let's take a look. Yep, alright, I like this. So we'll trade about 7 shares, 8 shares, 9 shares, good with me. Alright, put in that. That's been executed. I like to go in shares now because that's what I can stop loss it in. So 9 shares at our now sized price of where 139. Okay, 1.39. Easy peasy. Squeezy. Alright. Stop loss is in. It's quite this one guy, this one order has actually spiked up the whole order book. So hopefully he's really intent on actually buying and not just looking for people to enter because of that. And it looks like a pretty heavy order book overall on the buy side. So hopefully now that it's broken its flag formation, its rough flag formation, we could see it actually take new higher highs, and we'll be in profit tomorrow. So yeah, we'll be checking in tomorrow on all these trades and whatnot, but that's a good entry there, I believe. Seems continuing its higher highs. Not yet, actually, its highest was 205. So we'll see what happens there over time as well. It could come down, honestly. So we'll take a look, and we'll be right back.